Hello students, today we are going to be learning about graphs so that we understand where to place some of the information we're going to be talking about today. All right, so what I want you to do is pause the video after I give instructions, and I want you to write down which word you think goes with which letter. Okay, so the first word we have is coordinate plane. And that is the surface that you use to plot or place numbers from a table. The second word we have is the y-axis. That is the ray on the graph that goes up. Next, we have x-axis, and that is the ray on the graph that goes sideways. Next, we have origin, which is the corner of the coordinate plane that has the value of 0, 0. And the last thing is the graph title. This tells you the topic of the graph. All right, so those are our 5 words for graphs. And what I want you to do now is pause the video and write down a letter for each of the words. So if you think that E goes with coordinate plane, if you think coordinate plane is where E is labeled on the graph, you're going to write down coordinate plane letter E, okay? And so on and so forth. And then you can start the video again and we'll go through the answers. Good luck. All right, so you wrote down all of the letters and the vocabulary words. Well done. Now let's see if you were right. All right, which letter do you think the coordinate plane vocabulary word goes to? If you put B, you were correct. Good job. All right, which letter do you think the y-axis vocabulary word goes to? If you put D, good job. So the y-axis is right there, the whole line. And the coordinate plane is just the whole area where you can put dots. All right, now it's x-axis. Where do you think the x-axis is? If you put A, you were correct. So the x-axis is the line on the bottom of the graph that goes to the side. All right, the next one is origin. What letter did you put for origin? If you put C, you were right. Origin is where 0, 0 is on the graph. And last but not least, graph title, it goes at the top of the graph, so we know what we're talking about. All right, I hope you got all the right answers. If you didn't, go ahead and fix your notes so that you have the right definition for the right place on the graph. All right.